Hey guys, this is my channel, Sid's Hot Take, and today I'm going to be doing a tracking test with the DJI Neo around this little lake here by my place. It's a track around 1 kilometer. I'll be going on my mountain bike and I'm going to try and shake off the Neo. I'm going to try and lose it, but I do have a bright red hoodie on to help with the tracking so that I don't get lost in any shadows. The only foreseeable wrinkles that I can see happening are that I will have some people to contend with. My plan was to go early in the morning, but I wanted as much light as possible to help with the tracking because the time right now is 11, so we will have some people on the trail. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, first setting is close. Let's go. Let's see if I can shake you off. Setting is at close. Can I lose you? Let's see. I'm gonna pedal as fast as I can. I can still hear you, so that means you're coming with you. You're doing well. Okay, I got some people here. Just slow down. Expected this. Gotta go around this guy. Hope no one gets a drone in the back of their head. Okay, that's good. Lost? Did I lose you? Oh, you're coming. I got some ice here. I gotta slow down. I'll pick up some speed after this. Ooh, icy, icy, icy. It is 3 degrees over here in Korea right now. Spring is on the cusp. Okay, we got some downhill, no more ice. Speed up here. Really hoping the red hoodie helps with the tracking because we do have some shade here. Okay, don't hit this guy. Okay, let's speed up. Let's go, let's go, 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 go. Oh, got some more people here. Okay. Put the metal to the pedal. Pedal to the metal. I am biking as hard as I can right now. Whew. I don't know what speed I'm going. Oh, pedestrian. Okay, on the home stretch. How do you take this turn? A little wide? Oh, oh shoot. On the home stretch. Whew. Okay. That's how you do it. Whew, all right. Haven't been on the bike for a while. First take from going around the lake in the close setting. Did well, a little wide in some of the turns because of my speed. People walking wasn't really an issue. I'm guessing the next stage, going to the medium distance, not even the far, just the medium, the tracking results are going to really diminish. But the shading wasn't too bad. I did have to slow down a little bit for the icy spots. And I'm extra careful when I come up behind people because the tracking on the Neo is really good, but the trust isn't 100% there. So I just slow down a little bit when it comes to creeping up behind people. But they're hearing the drone, though, so they're looking around for it. But yeah, so far that was a success. Now we got to do it 2 more times. All right, this is at the medium setting. Let's see how this goes. Again, this is at the medium setting. Already have some more people on the trail. Medium setting is not as far back as I thought it would be, so the results might be okay. But I'm guessing when I go to the far setting at this speed, that's when I'm going to run into a different result. But if I was going to be going slower than this, it would not be an issue. Again, it's a speed variable. It's going to make a difference. And I'm taking the same route as last time. Slow down for this icy patch. And then after this icy patch, it goes downhill some. I'll really pick up speed if there's no one to contend with. Okay, let's go. I've got my Hollerland Lark M2 wireless mic. Okay, here's some turns. Let's see how it handles here with the tracking. Sharp turn, 90 degrees. That was well. It was sputtering some. Okay, we got a runner here. Oh, we got a ponytail. Neo, stay away from the ponytail. Okay, wide left turn. Still coming? All right, quick little debriefing while everything is still fresh. Okay, she wiped out. I can tell when it's going to wipe out or when the tracking is struggling because it's sputtering. I know you won't be able to hear it because of the Neo's noise canceling, and I'm using noise canceling on my mic too. But I can hear it. It goes like kind of like it starts bouncing sound-wise. But it took that turn wide, and then when I did a shoulder check, it had lost. It didn't lose my tracking, but it wasn't centered, like it wasn't on my track. It was tracking me, but it was on a different track, so it was actually off the path over onto the grass. And that's when it hit a tree, I'm guessing. It wasn't a branch, I'm pretty sure it was a tree because it stopped quick and hard. But there's not going to be any damage done. I haven't started up yet. But let's do the final lap in far mode. This is when I really think it's going to be struggling at my speed. Again, it's at this speed that I want to, put it to the test with. Let's go. Okay, far setting. Let's see how this goes. You know what? I'm not going to slow down on the turns. Those hairpin 90-degree turns or 80-degree turns. And you know what? This far setting looks like the medium setting. Huh. I mean, like, I'm just eyeballing it, but it doesn't seem to be that big of a difference. Okay, no one's here. Let's pick it up some. Again, this is just a straight shot. Human issue. And when it comes to the drone elevation, I don't have it on the low setting. I have it on the medium setting. High setting, it could probably run into some limbs. Low is really low. I think it's almost like my bike tire height, or maybe my butt higher height where my butt is right now on my bike seat. Okay, turn here. Oh, I guess the Neo is a little further back than the medium setting. Again, same route, got some ice, slow down. Oh man, there's no ice here. I would love to pin it. Drop that hammer. Okay, out of the ice, downhill, in shade. Now we got a pedestrian here. We got a walker. Heads up, buddy. Oh shoot, I can't go high speed. Pick a side, buddy, pick a side. There you go. Is it coming? Please don't hit anyone. Okay, sharp turn, not slowing down. No, it's going to hit. Oh, it corrected itself. Didn't do that last time. Okay, we got some winds here. No one right here up close. I'm trying to stay in the center of the path so that the AI doesn't have two of our time. And I got a lot of walkers here. Shoot, I'm going to have to stop, guys. All right, let's finish off this third and final lap. I want to get some speed because I'm going to take this 90-degree turn fast and see if it crashes again or corrects itself. Let's go, Neo. Pick up my speed. Get these 50-year-old legs back in action here. Okay, nothing too convoluted here. Here's that turn. No, it's not, but it's coming up. Sharp, hairpin turn. Taking the same speed. Okay, didn't crash. Just lost my track. Where are you? Don't see you. Oh, there you are. Okay, okay. I just have a thought. The time when it crashed, the fact that I took that turn wide, and that could have been an issue. I should really try my best to keep my bike in the center on those hairpin turns. That would really assist the Neo's tracking. Okay, and we'll just stop here, right by the showroom Ferrari. All right, guys, still out of breath, but the third lap is completed. And just some real-time debriefing here. It's interesting to see what's going through the Neo's little brain, because when it encounters difficulties, how it corrects itself. And again, when there's a crash, how durable is it? No issues there, but I already knew that from watching other videos on YouTube. The trust stock with the Neo just went up when it comes to navigating around people, which is really important because I'm going to be using the Neo a lot when I'm hiking over here in South Korea. And mind you, I won't be going as fast like I am on a bike, but yeah, you can really trust it to not only track you, but go on the same route that you're going. Whereas other drones, they kind of waver from. They're not 100% faithful in their tracking. Now guys, when I got my Neo, I didn't really know what I was doing. I just went ahead and got it. But when it comes to you, I'm gonna do all the heavy lifting for you. I'll have all the Amazon links down in the description, excuse me. So you can just click on them and they'll redirect you right over to the American and Canadian Amazon links, which will hopefully just make your shopping a little bit easier. But anyway, I think that's a wrap. That's all I'm gonna do for today's test. If you like this, I wanna give this old man a pat on the back. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're interested in watching a little review of my DJI Neo, you can click on this thumbnail right here. You may enjoy it. And just a heads up, there is a crash in that video. See ya.